So everybody has heard the saying that says, life begins where the tar road ends and the gravel road starts. That's a cuck story. I think it's only the influencers that don't do this like we do, that kind of, sort of use that. But, this is the start of one more of an epic adventure for us. For me, for Christian, for Ubuntu, because we want to make our way all the way to Cape Town, trying to do only gravel roads. Tar roads are inevitable, where you need to get onto a tar road to join another connecting gravel road. But as far as we're gonna try, it will be this Johnny's. So next stop for us, the ghost town of Greylingsstad. I'll tell you a little bit of a history when we get there. But man, I'm so excited. Let's do this!
Dust on the boots, red earth in the air, Trans-Africa bush gear taking me.
When I had this adventure in mind, this is exactly what I was looking for. Almost like a twee-spoor paadjie, crisscrossing rural South Africa, and not really knowing what we're gonna find ahead. So this is exactly what I was hoping, dreaming and wishing for. So next stop, Greylingsstad. Let me tell you a little bit of that history, what is called today as the ghost town of South Africa. Then you get beautiful places like this, man. How beautiful is this? Sure. This is what I'm talking about.
It knocks in the sling, spotter's eye on the kudu. Every stitch tells a story, every scene tried and true. Trans-Africa, call of the wild. Rugged as Baobab, tough as a child.
Can you believe this is South Africa, man? And if we didn't drive this route and this adventure, we'd have never known that such a beautiful place is, man, between somewhere and absolutely nowhere. Huh? Driving in a tunnel of green. Unbelievable. So it makes me so exciting to see what's up ahead.
It's gonna be a lot still to come.
We're gonna see beautiful stuff in this beautiful country. South Africa! We call home this place. Let's explore some more. Yeah.
Khaki and green, pants that kneel in the dust still walk out clean. Hat brim drips like a troopy's old tail. Trans-Africa bush gear, never gonna fail.
Now we are truly in Cosmos country. This is called Cosmos blomme because they Cosmos niks. They just grow wild next to the road. But how flippin' insanely beautiful is these Cosmos blomme? I wonder, Malinki, this is especially for you. Insanely beautiful.
So here's to the roamers, the trackers, the free. Trans-Africa bush gear, you're the soul of a tree. Where the wild dogs run and the night birds cry. We'll chase the horizon till the day we die.
So Greylingsstad, what is a eye-opener. So everything I read about Greylingsstad hinted that this is a ghost town. I promise you, it's nothing but a ghost town. If you can hear in the distance, it's the ice cream truck. Check out Johnny, you eat the ice cream. Kijk hoe daar ballen. Hey, ice cream man! Je moet naar die kou vel, pa. Je moet naar die. So you can even buy ice cream from the ice cream truck in Greylingsstad. But a brief history. So Grylingstad was founded in 1909 by the stepson of Piet Retief, Mr. Gryling, and by the Dutch Reformed Church. Like most of these little small South African towns, the majority of them was founded by the Dutch Reformed Church. But anyways, they say progress is always good. Not in Grylingstad was progress good, because when they rerouted the N3, they rerouted it past Grylingstad, and that was detrimental to Grylingstad, because then all the shops, there was no clients coming in and out of town anymore, so they started suffering, and that's why it's referred to as the ghost town, because the town slowly died a very slow and painful death. But again, this church, just check out this church. This is a sandstone church, but I'll go a little bit closer above the fence, and you will see this absolute beautiful church there on the door. Zoom in there, Bella. Geloof, hoop en liefde. That is what it says when you enter those doors. So geloof is what's geloof, Bella?
Yes.
Geloof is faith, hope, yeah, and love. So what do we need more in this life than faith, hope, and love? So let's continue this unbelievable journey this far. Blown away so far by what we've seen and experienced in the gravel roads. Next stop, who knows where? Let's go. Arrivari! Day one, ham, cheese and tomato, not toasted, with a lekker, my sissy Dikkus chili sauce, and then all the way out of Saudi, Cholula hot sauce, all the way from Saudi, and my own personal chef. He learned from the best of the best. But check this beautiful dam. There's a mooi dam there. But blue skies. I think we're still in Mpumalanga, but we just stopped here because we saw these beautiful trees, and then the old sandstone buildings, very unique to the Free State and this part of Mpumalanga. So just pulled off, making samis, drinking something, and then continue on this journey. We're going to see if we can make it to Oraniaville. But I think one of the most lekker things that Bella said this morning was that there's just no haste. Huh, Bella? Nothing.
Nothing's chasing us. We don't have to be somewhere
at
a certain time. We just go.
We just go. Like in Grylingstad now, we spend quite a lot of time in Grylingstad.
Turn around, go
turn around, check this out.
What's that? Let's go there.
So this to me is the ultimate road trip. And it's something I should have done long time ago. This has been in the back of my head for a long time, to do Jozi to Cape Town as far as possible, dirt roads. But let's chow, man. I likes it to chow something now. He's battling. Huh? Goodness. I promise you, I just wish you can taste this. But it's not just the taste. It's where we are at. What we do. The vibe. This makes it taste so much lekkerder. So, moenie nou vir my plan nie, né? I've got some broodjies to chow. Just. Side of the road is Mpumalanga. This is the Vaal River. The mighty Vaal River, né? So, that side, Free State! Lekker Free State! But listen, check the power of water. This is big ass locks. Sure. So, the lekker thing of this trip is, né? You cross the Vaal River on places, Bella, that you didn't even know existed. Huh? And we were here, we were stopping here, and I said to Bella, listen, check a bikkie. What's the name of this little river? Meantime, back at the ranch, hey, is the mighty Vaal River. You see, travel, it makes you clever. Hak Vrystaat! Hubbele, ek het nie gedink as die Vaal rivier nie. Free State, Mpumalanga. So yeah, let this journey continue. So first part of a tar road, small little piece of tar road to pass. What is this, Bulle? Villiersdorp. Check, there's the silos of Villiersdorp. So we had to do a quick jump over the, what's this, the N3. Now we're going to jump over the N3 now, and then we're going to turn off again towards Frankfurt on gravel. So the road brought us to Frankfurt. It feels weird to drive on tar road again, but yeah, nothing is planned, nothing can go wrong. So now in Frankfurt, we're gonna look for somewhere to make it our home for tonight. Frankfurt, of all places. Christian, me and Bulle, we came to this bridge. I'm still just exploring Frankfurt, saw this old single lane bridge, stopped here on the bridge and saw all of this fish, schools and schools. It looks like yellowfish, but hundreds if not thousands of yellowfish in this river. Never seen so many. Pure fishing gold. Yeah. Bulle, haal die stock, man. Take out the stock. Let's fish, man. There's lots of yellow fishes.
I'll fang you, man.
Yeah, too much. Check that out. Fishes galore.
Nou 'n leeupoeltjie daar.
Listen. Birds galore. But this is why we travel. Look what Bulle has taken out already. The fishing rod, the katrol, because this in Frankfurt is our home for tonight. Moersemoer. I promise you, it doesn't get much closer to paradise than this. But let me go show you. This makuku, this is next level. This is good enough for a weekend to slip out of the city and come to Frankfurt and come just relax. But let me go show you. So this is from the deck above here. So a lekker tafeltjie, but this is your view here from but it's so peaceful and so quiet. And then me and Bulle, tonight we're staying in lap of luxury. We came to Frankfurt to camp, but not camping tonight. There's Bulle's room. Christian is sleeping here tonight, and me, myself, and I will take this room. But I'll put Melani's number in this post. So if you're gonna do this route, and the toilets is out there, I'll show you now. So if you do this route, of Josie to Cape Town, dirt roads, this is an absolute have to come stop. And not only just for stopping on this route. If you want a breakaway, one weekend out of Gauteng or Bloemfontein on the banks of the Wilge River. So let's see if Bulle can catch fish here at Pecan. I'll just see what the name is. I'll put it here. What's it? Pecan Grove Lodge. So Pecan Grove Lodge, I've just put you on the map. The peoples are coming. Watch the phone. But let's see if Bulle can catch some fish, man. Arvari. You know most for me. If there's a kitchen, I will cook. So that's the mince and onions, like the simmering. Of course, my go-to, cannabis and lime, some smoked salt, cooking sauce, and some creme fraiche. for a lekker sauce. And then in that pot, we're gonna make the pasta. So let's cook up a storm. That's how you gooi it with the cannabis and lime. Mustn't be scam. You moet hom stamp. Now if your mince and sauce, cream sauce, looks like this, Martha, you know you're gonna eat well tonight. So pasta, we're gonna drain and strain them, and then it's dish up time. It's bon appetit time. I'm not an Italian, but I'll tell you, that is next level. What's this pasta, Nebala?
Spaghetti bolognese.
The spaghetti. And now, tonight is my turn. Tomorrow night it will be.
It will be me who's making the food.
It will be Christian.
So tomorrow night we braai.
Yeah. If we camp tomorrow night, we braai. But we have a kitchen.
We also braai. I'll put the LKs down.
Yo, just check this out, né? So bon appetit time.
Dit nou vir my plaas.
Yeah. For me time to chow as well. Say, what a lekker day, Bulle.
Day one, done and dusted.
Done and dusted. Over and out. So follow. Push follow. Push subscribe. It's going to be an 8-9 day tour so that you miss nothing of this trip going down to Cape Town. Over and out. Good night. God bless. Keep safe. Cheers.